Okay, so that spurs a thought. When we look at things like Ansible and automation, that is a tool that makes your life infinitely easier, right? And it makes your day-to-day day job infinitely easier. Is this something that you're kind of pushing and introducing to customers, or is this something that customers are coming to you saying, "Hey, I think we have a use case for this"? Which way is it going?
It's both. In some cases, they don't even know that it's out there sometimes. So there is that, like, okay, let's bring this into them. Sometimes they ask me, it's like, okay, what should we use? And I'm like, okay, here's Ansible. This is a new thing that we've got that we want you to try. We already have the playbooks written. They're built by our engineering guys, so it's all kind of like QA'd and should be good to go. It runs that way, and then it runs the other way where the customers come to us. They say, look, we've tried this, and we need some help with it, or can we have more playbooks, please? Stuff like that. So yeah, it's both ways.
Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, networks are huge, and you need stuff like that because you're talking about 10,000 devices. How on earth are you going to go in and manually enable SSH, verify it, and then disable Telnet without locking yourself out of a single switch? You do that by hand. A, you're going to be there for a month. And B, you're probably going to end up in a padded room by the end of it because that's a lot to take on all at once.